Okay. Can y'all hear that? I'm talking to you again because I let the dog out earlier today and run around just to let you see I'm very nice to the dog. But listen, don't you? He snores like a grown man. Listen. Y'all hear that? It sounds like a grown man in that cage. I have to put him in the cage because he's like only 6 months old. Listen. Don't that sound like a human? Sometimes I wake up and I think I done went into some type of psychosis and kidnapped a human and stuck him in a cage. It's like, that's what that sounds like. Anyway, y'all. Hey, General. Out.